Hi friends. Today we are going to Russell Court to see the migrant birds. It is 45 minutes away from my place. So we have reached our destination. Russell Court Wildlife Sanctuary is a paradise for bird lovers. Thousands of birds migrate from Russia, Iran, and many other places. If you come early in the morning, you will see many species of birds. There is a 10-minute slot for each visitor, and the weather is very pleasant, so now we are planning to go to the beach. After spending the time in Russell Court, now I am going to the beach so that I can relax.
Mama, can I take some toys and can you also pack some snacks so we can enjoy them at the beach?
Sure, even I am planning to go home and prepare some tea so that I can enjoy it at the beach. Let me know in the comment section which snacks do you guys prefer when you go out for a picnic.
Can you guess what are my favorite snacks? It's a jellyfish.
I love watching the sunset. Sunsets are proof that endings can often be beautiful too.